Hey there mga my loves, Leo. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yeah, no, for today's content, let's take a look at your November 2023. Pero bago tayo magsimula, reminders na hindi ito for everybody and only take what resonates with you. Guys, so yeah, thank you so much sa patuloy at wala rin yung sa support at sa mga new subscribers. Hi and hello, by the way, my name is Yan. So thank you so much everyone. So, let's dive na into this reading of yours and let's see kung ano ba mga mensahe for your November 2023. Wala tayong gender, timeless din ito, at ageless. Okay. Age doesn't matter. Okay. So, yeah, let's see, Leo, kung ano bang meron dito for you, guys. Spirit Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here for Leo's November 2023, please? Leo. Oh, okay. Let's see what messages right here we have for you, Leo. So Leo, for the month of November, we've got right here the projected. It looks like in the near future, yeah, like days lang, weeks lang, yan mga babes, no, for the upcoming months. It looks like meron ditong unexpected travel for you guys or maaaring something here na pwedeng baka yung iba sa inyo, no, magta-travel kayo rito, no, or baka may bakasyon kayo, magbabakasyon kayo, punta kayo rito, no, sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa, yan, no. Just take how this resonates, yan. Or baka may mag-travel dito papunta sa inyo. Let's see, no? For others, this could be unexpected, but we're gonna clarify this. Okay, wait lang, dyan muna siya. So, for the month of November, we also have here for your Leo, this receipts. Proof, yeah. So, it looks like confidence is being pointed here. So, whatever the case may be, mukhang marireceive mo na, no? Like, literal na resibo. Yan, no? Ng inyo rito mga babes, no, na pinaghirapan pwedeng sa trabaho, yung parang you showed so much passion and love to that. I'm seeing you na parang nabuboost yung confidence mo sa sitwasyon na ito. This is you na parang bibigay mo rito, no, yung full force mo, yung passion mo, dedication, effort, yan nakikita ko rito. At mukhang success is coming your way right here. So, yan na nga alamin natin dito kasi you're gonna see the proof right here, okay, of what it is na pinagpaguran mo, pinaghirapan mo, pinaglaanan mo ng panahon rito, no? Alamin natin yan. Okay, so yeah, let's keep moving. And for the month of November, you also have here the cleansing. So meditation, clearing space, and removing negativity. So it looks like on the month of November, no, meron kayo ritong hindi naman literal na ego-ghost. Pero baka meron kayo ritong tanggalin sa life nyo na tingin ninyo hindi na beneficial for you or tingin ninyo, no, imbes na makatulong sa inyo is parang dinidrain pa yung energy ninyo. Let's see kung anong klase ng cleansing yan. We're gonna clarify that. No? And let's see added messages for you guys regarding this one. Cleansing. Exactly. Cleansing connected to this gossip right here. So yeah, I'm seeing you detaching here from unhealthy or toxic energy surrounding you, yung mga bullies, yung mga tao rito, no, na ayaw sa'yo, dislikes you right here, or mga people right here na um, talking behind your back. So, you're disconnecting from them, disengaging from them. Yeah, kahit na matagal mo na silang kilala right here, no, for others of you, you are about to turn your back to them. So, let's find out. Yan, no? We'll start clarifying it. Magsimula tayo kung ano ba ang klase to, no? But I'm seeing you traveling right here. Pwedeng literal na travel yan or literal rito mga babes, no, na parang biyahe into this type of new adventure for you guys. So, let's see. Why is projected here for my Leo? Looks like oras na. See? Wheel of Fortune is right here. Looks like oras na para mag-travel ka na dyan. Or oras na para puntahan mo yan. So, pwede iba, dream nyo talaga yan. Like, matagal nyo na yan tinitingnan, gustong puntahan, or matagal mo nang gustong mangyari yan. Kasi sa iba, pwedeng hindi travel, pero it looks like this is you. Pangarap mo yan. It's like a new adventure to you. Why is projected here for Leo, please? Leo? Whatever it is, this will make you really, really happy. This is genuine happiness right here. Leo. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Super happy ka sa kung ano man yan. And I think it's coming. It's coming near. It's coming closer here. So let's see. Projected is being clarified by this Queen of Cups energy. Yeah, you really desire this. You really hold on to this. No? Pinapangarap mo yung tinatangi mo, dinidesire mo dito. No? At mukhang matagal mo na yan na gustong mangyari. Baka dream travel mo yan. Baka naman ay dream yan na life mo kasi yung iba maaring new venture ng life nyo yan. No? Yung iba pwede naman na trabaho yan. Pangarap ninyo. Something to do with that. Something to do with traveling to a new environment, new world for you guys, okay? Queen of Cups together with this Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, ang tagal mo tong hinintay right here at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, Three of Swords in reverse. So definitely, nakikita ko no, na hindi ka na maghihintay for long. Mukhang eto na yon, no? Yung iba, nakikita ko dito na parang finally ma-approve na yung visa mo at nakikita kong na-approve na ito at ma-approve na ito. So this is really good news for you guys. So I'm seeing na talagang tuloy na kayo dito sa travel na to. Whether this is dream vacation here, whether this is some kind of a place na gusto mo talagang i-visit, no? Or baka doon ka talagang magtatrabaho, I'm seeing you na mag-grant ka dito. So, nakikita ko that this is somewhat, no, na dream come true for you guys. And it looks like nararamdaman mo na ito ngayon pa lamang with the Queen of Cups energy. And you've waited for this for so long, Knight of Pentacles energy. Pero hindi ka sumuko dyan. No? Hindi mo binitiwan yan, no? Yung desire na yan, no? Tinatangi mo pa rin yung wini-wish mo, and I can see that with this Three of Swords, no? Kung upright yan, ibig sabihin, nakikita kita na mag-aantay ka pa dyan, like literally, na baka magkaroon ka na ng doubt dyan, no? Pero hindi, I'm seeing you. Okay, finally the wait is over. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, it is coming so near to you guys. So, wow, mangyayari na ito and finally it will happen. This good news is maririnig ninyo on the month of November. So, maaring may mag-grant na visa rito, no, or yung kung ano man yung nilalakad nyo dyan, mga babes, no. Kunin natin to and let's put it here. Nakikita ko rito, no, na positibo iyan for you, Leo. So, okay, let's now proceed with this receipt. Why is receipt right here? So, this is the proof of your wish being fulfilled. Yeah, I'm seeing you confident here. Actually, nakuha ko dito may kinalaman sa trabaho ito. Iba naman ito, iba yan dyan. No? Kasi dito nakikita ko rito na parang mas magkakaroon ka pa ng confidence. It's like makikita mo rito lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. Maaring recognition yan, baka promotion sa iba, or baka taasan rito yung income or salary mo, or kung business yan, nakikita ko rito, no, parang may gulat factor na magugulat ka rito na dadagsa yung mga tao, like, you will feel na parang, ay, tinatangkilik nila yung services or yung products namin, and yeah, you're gonna see the proof. Okay, and it is a success for you, Leo. So let's see mga babes, no, ano ba tong receipts na ito, but it will add up to your confidence. Kumbaga parang mas gaganahan ka pa rito na magpatuloy kung business man yan or trabaho man yan. Yan, no? Oras na para i-showcase mo rito ang iyong tinataglay na skills at kagalingan. So yeah, receipts is being clarified right here by the Eight of Swords energy together with this, woo, told ya, money, money, money. See, money and stability, it looks like mahuhuli mo kung business yan. Mahuhuli mo yung kiliti ng tao rito, no? Like dadagsain yan, no? To the point na hindi naman agad-agad nabuhos yung mga tao, no? Pero mamimaintain mo. Mamimaintain mo yan and it will happen, no, sa sunod-sunod na mga months yan, mga babes, no. At sa lahat ng maiistakan mo, mga babes, no, na maganda opportunity, isa ito sa pinakamagandang opportunity because Eight of Swords energy, dito na talaga mga babes, no. Ito na talaga yung stopover mo. Yan. So, yeah, see? This is money coming in towards you. This is success, overflowing money coming in towards you. Sa iba, recognition niya, no? Alam mo yung parang hindi yan makukuha sa'yo kasi ikaw ang qualified dyan. Ganun yung nakukuha ko dyan eh. So, this is you receiving that 10 of coins energy. Like, yeah, meron ka kakayahan na makabili na rito ng mga pinapangarap mo, no? Masimulan na yan, no? Whether hulugan yan or what, masisimulan mo na rito, no? Dream house, dream car, whatever it is, mabibili mo na yan, no? I'm also seeing this kind of laptop. I forgot that brand, no? Wag na lang kasi baka magbayad tayo. So, hindi po ka-endorser niyan, no? Pero maaaring may gusto nitong bumili ng laptop or gadget, might be cellphone sa iba, iPhone yan, no? Since maugo ngayon yung usaping iPhone. So, yes, so let's see at the bottom of the deck we have here the Knight of Cups energy, yeah, an offer right here for you to receive this, yeah. An offer is coming in for you to receive this 10 of coins energy, yeah. So, I'm seeing you na mas magiging confident ka pa na ilabas yung skills mo kasi magiging plakado, magiging havi sa mga people, mga babes, no, sa madla. So, whatever the case may be, whether this is business, whether this colleagues right here, nasa iyo ang boto nila. If the management is gonna vote right here for that higher position, it will definitely be you, Leo. So, wow! You will have this 10 of coins energy. And I'm getting that it's all about money here. Yeah. This is you. Hindi ka nagiging greedy. Hindi rin kita nakikita nagiging mayabang. Kundi nadagdagan yung confidence mo dito. It's like you, alam mo yung parang idiomatic expression, no? Na parang you wear this red lipstick right here and then you walk and paint the town, okay, red. So whatever the case may be, this is you being happy. Yeah. And you achieve this and you're proud here of your success, of yourself. Ikaw lang to eh. Okay? Pinaghirapan mo yan eh, na nakikita ko rito. So, offer is coming in for you, Leo. So, now let's see, maaring yun na nga yung usap-usapan nito, mga chismosa, marites, mga lore na dyan. No? So, I'm seeing you detaching right here from negativities, toxicities right here. So, tingnan natin at alamin natin yan. No? Pero this is you, parang gusto mo na peace of mind dito. Yeah. Speaking of toxic, yan no. So, maaaring mga babes no, with the devil present right here. Definitely, see? It's all about these negativities, toxicities here. Okay? Maraming involved rito. Okay? Mga negative things behind you. And for others of you, this could be people right here from the past or people that you've already know right here. Yeah, so let's see. Mhm. Alam mo naman, di yung pipigil talaga ang mga bibig ng mga marites no, dahil yan lang naman ang kanilang libangan. Ang pag-usapan ng buhay ng may buhay, no, at mukhang ikaw yung gusto nilang pag-usapan, but you're detaching them. Might be cleaning up your closet. Cleaning up your closet is an idiomatic expression right here, telling you guys, no, na kayo to na nagbubura ng mga friends na hindi nyo naman nakakausap at nakaka-encounter right here. Deleting yung mga hindi nyo naman masyadong ka-close, no, in your phones list. Yeah, something like that. Or even pictures, deleting pictures of the past. Pwede ring ex nyo na toxic, dinidelete nyo na. Yan. This is you cleansing. Unti-unti mo nang binabago dito yung buhay mo, yung mga nakasanayan mo. What I love about this is unti-unti mo na ritong binabago, ini-improve yung buhay mo at mukhang nagsisimula ka ngayong November. So, cleansing together with the gossip is being clarified by this Five of Cups energy. No more drama-rama sa happen right here together with this Eight of Cups. Bongga! So, yeah, nakita ko dito mga babes na kung sino pala to, mga taong involved dito. Naging nice ka sa kanila, naging kind ka sa kanila, tinulungan mo na rin silang minsan. No? So, halo-halo na yan sila. Basta nakukuha ko rito, mga matatagal mo ng kilala yan, pwedeng mga matatagal na kapitbahay na minsan nakakakwentuhan noon, yan, or mga kaibigan mo since young, right here. For others of you, doesn't have to be in childhood, pero mga kilala mo na ito. So, pwedeng nandyan rin yung ex mo rito, no? Pero you learn how to detach Ayaw mo na ng drama-rama sa hapon rito. With the Eight of Cups energy, you're walking away from these energies even though na minsan kayo naging close at minsan sila rito naging bahagi ng buhay mo. Eh, nakaka-drain na sila ng energy mo eh. Natutunan mo rito, Leo, no? Na for you to be able to achieve all the things that you desire in life, you need to detach from negative things. Kasama na rin sila doon. Okay? So, they are just draining your energy. So, you are cutting them off from your life. Yeah, kasi nagkikreate ka dito ng bagong world for you guys. See? World card is right here. For you, see, double Roman numerals. So, for you to for you to have that new world, no, na mapayapa, walang chismisan, at walang kahit na ano nakaka-drain ng energy mo. Roman numeral number 10, first Roman numeral number 10, you have to end that. Second Roman numeral number 10, yeah, to start okay. That new beginning right here. And then, doon na magsisimula, Roman numeral number 1, no? Na ikaw ay magwo-work magwo-work na into this new reality that you are embarking or creating right here. So, wow, I'm seeing you, no, na mapag-uusapan ka pa rin nila ng mga yan, mga babes, no, sa pagtalikod mo rito sa kanila at sa mga nakaraan. Parang, alam mo yung maririnig ko rito, pag nagbura ka, nagiging usapan yan. Alam ba, Mare, binura ako ni Leo. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa ko. Hindi naman natin siya napag-usapan, di ba? Kunwari pinag-usapan lang natin siya kaninang umaga, at ganun ba? Ba yan, sa dami kasi na pinag-uusapan natin, hindi ko na alam, yan, 'no. Regardless kung kailan ka nila pinag-usapan or hindi, ramdam mo that they are plastic. Ramdam mo that they are not being true to you, that they're wearing mask right here. So this is you detaching from them. See, they're talking about you behind your back, no, nung hindi pa sila kinakat sa buhay mo. At pag-usapan ka pa rin nila, lalo kapag kinat mo sila sa buhay mo. Pero I'm seeing you that you give no more attention to this drama-rama sa hapon. So, I'm seeing you right here. Okay, talagang gusto mo na talaga ng calmness and serenity. At matatagpuan mo lang yung katahimikan na yan kapag kakinat mo sila sa buhay mo. Very good ang taray mo doon. Lagay natin ito dito para magka-space, mga mahal. Okay, so alamin pa natin, Leo, ano pa bang meron dito for your November 2023, guys? Alam mo, magbabakasyon ka talaga, yung iba sa inyo. Pwede nga pupuntahan ninyo mga babes, no? Is yung iba baka nagpaplano rito pumunta sa beach or may body of water doon, may falls together with families, your soul tribe, your friends right here. At saka, ang maganda rito, mas lalong nabubuo yung bond ninyo. Mas tumitibay yung bond mo ng family mo or ng friends mo rito, no? And also, I'm getting, no, yung stability mo. Okay. Yung iba naman nakikita ko na makakahanap kayo ng mga bagong mga kaibigan or bagong connection, no, na may kinalaman sa trabaho ninyo. Yan, ang taray. Leo, November 2023. Leo. Okay, so Leo, let's see. Ano pa? So Leo, you do have here the magic. Yeah, the magic lies in your hand. May malaki ditong dahon, no? At may mga maliliit ding mga dahon dito. At napapalibutan dito mga babes no, ng lot of greeneries right here. So I don't know why I'm getting that um, country of India. So maaaring meron kayong kakonect doon or baka nandoon kayo nagtatrabaho or baka kayo ay Indian, okay, may dugong Indian but doesn't have to be. But I'm getting right here with lots of leaves and lots of greens right here. This is you. You're gonna have talaga success when it comes to your money. It's really standing out. And there is this door yan, mama, no? There is this door right here, no, na yun na nga yung tinutukoy na second confirmation for this offer for you to be able to receive this. And this is a big message. Yan, no? Kung papansinin niyo yung ibon, mas malaki pa sa mukha ng tao dito. So whatever the case may be, this is an opportunity right here that is really unexpected. Starfish yun, mga bibs, no, is that it's an indication right here that this is something here that you do not expect. And of course, this is like that feeling of once in a lifetime. Yeah, alam ba, pag nakuha niyo yung 10 of coins energy, that's all in one package. That's hitting the jackpot, Leo. Yun, no? And also we have right here this cold. Yeah. I think you're gonna meet talaga. Yeah. Someone here that will make your life colorful. Yung magbabalik rito ng sigla at ngiti sa iyong labi. Magdadagdag pa ng mas lalong confidence sa iyo kasi hindi ko alam kung sino tong kakonect mo pero magdadala siya ng maraming happiness at potential for growth, no? Sa buhay mo. Kung sino man siya, no, with this ladder, nakikita ko na mag-a-ascend at titibay pa nga ang inyong relationship nitong tao na to. No? So, I'm getting this kind of vibe na baka makilala mo siya na maaring malamig sa lugar na pupuntahan mo like may snow or may winter but doesn't have to be. Whoever this individual is, handa ka niyang samahan no? Through coldness, through any season right here. So, yeah. Okay. Wow. So, at the bottom of the deck, you do have as well this friendship. So yeah, I'm getting that you will have this friendship. Baka magsimula to as friendship right here. And you will also meet, di ba, other people right here na makakatulong sa'yo. New friends that will bring out the best in you guys. No? And it is, this is the type of connection that will stay and permanent. See, nakasuot ka pa rin ng red dito. No? And with the metamorphosis, looks like your life is shifting. Butterfly is the powerful sign of your life is really shifting right here. Leo. So wow, looks like the universe is sending you that kind of message right here that your life is changing beautifully right here. So wow, let's get advice from the universe for you, Leo. Advice for Leo, please. Advice for Leo. Okay, so let's see. So Leo, you've got right here the rebirth and reinvention. Yeah, rebirth talaga ito. Rebirth, new beginning for you guys. It's like you feel na para ka rito ulit na isinilang sa earth. No, this is you, no? Marireceive mo rito, no, yung life na kini-create mo, this magical life that you're creating. Symbols are powerful signs of happiness as well. So whatever the case may be, ayaw focus. Whatever the case may be, Leo, yan, having a hard time focusing this one. Okay, done. So yan, nakikita mo yung mga dolphins sa likod. So ibig sabihin, happiness is coming their way, papunta sa'yo. And okay, meron tayo rito mga natatanaw no, na mga healthy new friendships palapit sa'yo. But one of them will stand out right here. You know, a very loving energy, okay, embodying this. Yan yung cut na yan, waiting for you na dumaon dyan and seeing that this person right here will eventually, this person coming in, okay, like you've called this person here. You've called your soulmate right here. And this person is waiting for you na matagpuan mo siya or matagpuan ka niya. And this will create this kind of beautiful union right here. So yeah, at the bottom of the deck, we have here the affirmation for growth. Yeah, growth talaga ito for you guys. No? This is something here na talagang pag investan mo. And I'm seeing that you're gonna build your home, your family, you're gonna provide to them. Happy lang talaga. Like literally, magugulat rin yung pamilya mo rito no, sa makukuha mong 10 of coins. Kasi itong chubbiness na to, na nasa image, no, this is you, you will provide all the needs and even wants of your loved ones here. Yeah, not just your family. I'm seeing you providing here this more healthy lifestyle or this more beautiful life with your family. You're gonna share these resources with them. Okay, so thank you so much, Leo. Sana love and life. And yeah.